Hey guys, welcome to the Kimball Project. So today is just going to be a quick little video. I got in my car this morning and turned on the heater, and just a crazy squealing noise coming from the dash. So I knew my heater blower fan was starting to go out. So I watched a video on YouTube on how to replace it from Vehicular DIY. He had a really great video on there, step by step. So I did it on my lunch hour. It only took about 20 minutes total, pulling it out of the dash, getting it lubed up with some WD-40 and sticking it back in. So it's a very quick, very easy process, and what a world of difference it made. Is no more screeching, no nothing. It is very quiet, just like normal. So it's great. It's an easy thing to do. And one of the things on my videos is I try and encourage people to do everything themselves because it saves money. This trip to the BMW dealership would have cost like easily $300 just to get this problem fixed. They probably would have bought a new fan, but it was such an easy fix, and you know, it gives me some more life out of the fan that's already in there, so I didn't have to buy a new fan. So this is a zero cost fix. So this is just going to be a short video. I got plenty more coming, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You know, hit the bell so you get reminders, and leave some comments on my channel and let me know how I'm doing. So until then, I just want to encourage you to do it yourself. Okay, so here's the noise I'm hearing. Hopefully you can hear that. It sounds pretty horrible. So what we're going to do now is access that fan from over here, get it out, throw some WD-40 on it and see if it goes away. So let's get it started. Okay, so we're going to start by pulling out this screw, and I believe there's another screw over here. Yeah, we're going to try and get this bottom panel off here and see if we can pull out that fan. Okay, so I got this panel down. I'm going to disconnect this light over here if I can. As you can see, getting some serious water here. I don't know what this is all about. I'm going to have to try and figure that out. Okay, so this is under the dash. I'm gonna have to pull this guy out. Okay, so this right here in this wire harness, if you reach your hand up behind here, there's a little tab. And you can pull it with your finger. Pull it down and you just twist the motor and it comes out. There's the tab, you can see it right there. And then from there, you can just twist it out. And there it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull this thing apart. There's a screw right here, and 3 screws here, all Torx T20s. I'm gonna take those out and then pull this thing apart and throw some WD-40 on it. These are T10s. This little panel should pop out. Okay, so now this thing should just pop off. It does. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. I forgot all my camera stuff, my tripod stuff, so, and I'm doing it on my lunch break, so. Yeah, you can see how rusted that thing is. Right there, look how rusted that is. It's rusted on the other side too, right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit with a wire brush. It's already starting to spin a whole lot better than it was. It was really, really tight. So now it's like super, I mean, it's getting there. It's nice and easy to spin again. I think that's it. Let's reassemble this and get it back on the car. Okay, so reassembly, I believe. Difficult to do with one hand. Might not be able to do it with one hand. So there's a little groove on the inside of this that aligns to the motor where the wire comes up. Okay, so that's it. Reassembled, got it looped up, so installed on the car. Okay, so now I'm just gonna stick it back up inside. I believe it's easier if you have the tab facing that way. You can see it. The wires out of here. All right. Get it back in there. It's got a few grooves. It sits nice and snug. Go ahead and pop it back. And plug everything back in. And that should be it. Let's go ahead and bolt it up. Here we go, moment of truth. No more squeaking, no more squealing. Super easy fix.